What are you doing? Are you even on? For the love of Christ. I'm starting to lose my sense of humor with this thing. The only time this thing recorded was in my pocket. When I took it in the house. There's no lights. Why aren't you recording? Welcome back to This Guy's Garage. Chucky from the Panzer platform sent out 5 of these CROSSTOUR CR 250 dash cams for brutally honest reviews, and that's what we're going to give. All this coming up.
This Guy's Garage. Like and subscribe.
This is the most unuser-friendly thing I've ever laid eyes on. Are you even recording? Why isn't it coming on automatically? I don't know. What did you do to me, Chucky? You're trying to drive me insane. Big dump in the middle of the road. Well, you missed it because it didn't pick it up. I took you on a beautiful drive to see a beautiful Nova Scotia lighthouse. I ain't going back out there. The lights burnt out. Ain't much use. That's useless. Are you even on? Starting to piss me off. Why'd the lights go out? How come it... Fuck. I'm pissed. Is this thing supposed to be automatic or what? What am I doing wrong? I'm gonna run out of gas before I get a piece of film. I'm gonna set this back to default settings. I don't know what the fuck is going on. For the love of God, are you recording? Nice. Bet you didn't get that. Made 7 files while it was in my pocket. Bet you don't got a goddamn thing on this thing right now. Embrace the suck. I'm gonna set this thing back to default. Either I'm doing something wrong or this camera just fucking sucks. See what this does. There needs to be brighter lights or something on this thing so it knows when you're recording, so you know it's recording. It's... I bet I got nothing again. I'd like to thank Chucky for involving us into this. I don't think it would have turned out better if the camera had been any good. So if you don't have enough frustration in your life, this may be the camera for you. There will not be any links in the description below because this camera, I'll put it this way. My mama raised me like this. If you don't got nothing good to say, don't say anything at all. So if this video helped you out any, you can hit that subscribe button. It'll be right there. You can watch another video right there. Don't be cheap. Leave a thumbs up. It doesn't cost a cent. Till the next time, folks, this guy out.